In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shortcut to Google Chrome homepage. If you want quick, one-click access to your favorite sites every time you open a new tab, Chrome's Shortcuts feature is the fastest way to get there. We'll turn the feature on and choose whether to show your own custom links or the sites you visit most, so your homepage works exactly the way you like. Start by opening Google Chrome. You'll want to be on Chrome's new tab page, the one with the Google search box in the center and a row of tiles underneath. In the bottom right corner of that page, look for the button labeled Customize Chrome. Click it to open Chrome's customization panel. This is where you control the background, color, and theme, and most importantly for us, your shortcuts. Inside the panel, find the section called Shortcuts. Depending on your version, it may appear in the sidebar or as a tab along the top. Select it so you can manage what shows up on the homepage tiles. Next, turn on the Shortcuts setting using the toggle switch. If the switch is already on, you're all set. Leave it enabled. Turning this on tells Chrome to display a grid of shortcut tiles on the new tab page. With Shortcuts enabled, choose how you want them to appear. You can let Chrome automatically show your most visited sites, which updates over time based on your browsing, or you can switch to My Shortcuts to curate them yourself. If you pick My Shortcuts, click Add Shortcut, give it a clear name, paste or type the website address, and save. The tile will show up instantly on your homepage. You can repeat this for each site you want at your fingertips, drag tiles to reorder them, and remove any you no longer need using the Edit or Delete option on the tile. If you change your mind later, you can reopen Customize Chrome and return to Shortcuts at any time. A quick tip when creating your own tiles: use short, recognizable names so they're easy to scan, and double-check the web address starts with HTTP or HTTPS to avoid broken links. You can also rearrange or clean up tiles whenever your priorities change. That's it. Close the panel to return to the new tab page and test your setup by clicking a shortcut to make sure it opens the right site. From now on, every new tab will show the tiles you chose, so you're just one click away from the places you go most.